go up Thurston,
Yeah.
Thurston Loop and stuff like that, and it goes all the way up by Mount Chiem and stuff there.
We've been to Mount Chiem. That was our hardest one.
Yeah, it's a bit of a climb there and stuff.
Good.
Eh?
That's been happening like
Holy,
all
what
day.
was that? Holy cow! What the
This
heck?
morning they had that too.
What the heck is that?
It might have been a dump truck, the gate coming down. Right?
I don't know. That was pretty loud.
These are sort of a red or purple color coming this way.
I felt it, I know.
Wow.
But that's like oil.
I felt that aftershock there.
Oh, I know.
Shook the ground, right?
Yeah, we thought it was a bomb or something that went off.
How'd they do? They find something for you?
Yeah, they're out of stock.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what were you looking for?
Tires.
What's wrong with these tires, Sid?
Nothing. Just preventive maintenance.
I see you got your GoPro. What's that on the side?
Comm system.
The what?
A comm. So you can
Oh,
talk.
I see. Okay.
You can talk if his buddy's got one.
Yeah.
Right.
We bought them, we got them off AliExpress. My son bought this and he loves it.
Okay.
And it's the Lexan one. It's cheap, 70 bucks. Got a radio.
Good to have.
Yeah, it answers the phone.
Was it got like a piece that goes inside of it and then up to your ear area?
Yeah, it's got 2 speakers, a little mic in the front.
Oh yeah, you can just put it in any helmet.
Any
What's the
helmet.
range?
My buddy and I, when we go trail riding, it's great. We just,
Yeah, it's better than a walkie-talkie, yeah.
oh
What
yeah.
would the range be? Like how far away
It's
where you can?
It's probably about here to that orange sign on the building.
Oh, so a good, say, 100 yards.
Yeah, not too far, but you got to watch it. If you get a mountain in between you, it cuts. So we just tend to stay closer together, but we never go that far anyways.
Yeah,
See,
yeah.
this feels very manageable, like that KTM and that Versi, whereas some of these big bikes, like that Tiger and stuff,
Oh, that Tiger, the 12, the big one?
yeah,
Oh my God, we were sitting on it and I couldn't even touch the ground.
yeah, I know, and you imagine that if you're off kilter and you can't put your foot down.
Yeah.
the bike's
And the
coming
thing
down,
goes
yeah, you
over and
better
it's on your
jump.
leg.
Jump quick.
And this, I take this where I wouldn't even, with the Versi and stuff, I wouldn't even go near some of the places I've gone
Nice,
with
comes
this.
with the center stand too, eh?
So do you- Okay.
There you go.
Well, it was nice meeting you.